Okay, it's raining outside, and you might say, okay, rainy days are for staying inside. No, rainy days are great to go outside, check your eaves troughs. Whether you've got new eaves troughs, old eaves troughs, repaired eaves troughs, check them. Let's go look at mine. Come on. All right, the first thing I'm looking for is any obvious signs of water coming out over the edges, which would indicate a full or clogged eaves troughs. Another thing I'm looking for is any seams. Now there's no seams on this one, it's a straight run, but there's a joint there, a few of them. So I'm checking to make sure they're good and they're not leaking. Okay, those ones are good. Then I'm coming down here to see if there's actually water flowing out. And yes, this is beautiful. There's a lot of water flowing out. All right. Let's go check the other side here. So that one's good. I'm pretty happy with that. This one here, see these black marks? That's from a few years of water running over the edge. Now this past summer, what I did is up there, up on top, I made a curb, a silicone curb to push the water towards the drain. And it's almost 100% successful. I still see water dripping a little bit, but 2 months ago, it was pouring over. So I'm pretty happy with that. I've already checked that drain. I've checked all the drains on my house. So this here drain is good. And it's flowing down over here. Pretty disappointed that somebody crushed my extension here, but the water is actually flowing out, which is fantastic. And then up there, I already looked at it. Number one, there's no seams, the joints are good. But then here, check this out. See the corrosion? Now I suspect there's some garbage stuck up there and not letting the water flow through that corrosion. So I'm gonna have to go up and make sure that's cleaned and then caulk it. And then I also am checking here. The water's flowing nicely. So don't waste your rainy days. Use them.